Hi guys, it's Amanda from Crafts by Amanda, and we're going to make a mason jar herb garden. You can find the cutting files on craftsbyamanda.com, keyword mason jars. Use outdoor vinyl for this project. After you have created your words, we've used different herbs, obviously, for this project. Then you'll want to use your tools to remove the vinyl and use some transfer tape to add them to the jars. The full instructions are again on craftsbyamanda.com, keyword mason jar. Place the transfer tape on the back of your design and then remove that backing. And then attach it to the jar where you want it to be and remove the transfer tape. Now add some rocks for drainage to your jars. And this is just a temporary house for these herbs. I'll explain in a sec. Go ahead and fill the jar about 3/4 of the way with soil. Then you're going to add your seeds and you're going to water and watch these babies grow, and then later you can transfer these out and plant them in your garden. And then think how fun it would be to use these jars to store your dried herbs after your garden has flourished. Have a great day. I hope you enjoyed this project. More tutorials at craftsbyamanda.com.